Hi children, greeting to you all. Now we are going to see the video session of 4th standard term 1 unit 3 municipality and corporation. Children, do you know what is municipality? Okay, in this lesson we are going to learn about the duties of municipality and corporation, how they serve to the people by the help of central and state government. Before we going into this lesson, first let us see the learning objectives. To know about municipalities and their duties, to understand the structure of local bodies, to know about the functions of corporation and town panchayat, to know about the sources of income for municipality and corporation. Mainly for the administrative purpose, our country is divided into states. States are divided into districts. Districts are divided into local bodies, that is, urban local bodies and rural local bodies. Urban local bodies consist of corporation, municipality, town, panchayat. Rural local bodies consist of district panchayat, panchayat union, village panchayat. Now let me move on to this unit, children. This unit is a conversation between Mugilan and his uncle. Mugilan clarifies his doubts about corporation and municipality. He asks many questions. Mugilan went to his uncle's house during summer vacation. One day he was playing in a park. At that time, he heard the municipality employees announcing that the people to pay taxes for house and others. Mugilan ran to his uncle. Uncle, what are you running? What happened, Mugilan? Mugilan, uncle, what is municipality? Why should we pay taxes? Mugilan's uncle replied, Mugila, municipality is a form of local government. It is a form of local government in a small town where 50,000 to 1 lakh people live. This is divided into several wards. Our house is in the 10th ward. In our locality, there are totally 30 wards. In Tamil Nadu, there are 148 municipalities. Overall, Tamil Nadu, how many municipalities? 148 municipalities. Mugilan, who is the head of the municipality? Who is the head of the municipality? Mugilan asked. The head of the municipality is called the chairperson. One of the members of the municipality is selected as vice chairperson. The tenure of the members is 5 years. What is tenure, children? Tenure means to hold a post for certain time. We say it in Tamil, that is Padavi Kalam. Mugilan, uncle, what are the duties of municipality? Do you know, children? The duties of municipality is providing street lamps, constructing library and its maintenance, maintaining local market, that is Sandai. Maintaining the local market, we call it as Sandai, providing drinking water facilities, constructing roads, removing the garbage dumps. Mugilan, what is the source of income for the work done by municipality? What is the source of income for the work done by municipality? Uncle replied, central government and state government provide the money which governs central government and state government provide the money. People also pay in the form of house tax, professional tax, drinking water tax, shop tax, road tax, and drainage tax. It also forms the income of municipality. We also paying these taxes now, children. How many taxes we pay? That is house tax, professional tax, drinking water tax, shop tax, road tax, and drainage tax. These are the sources of income for the work done by municipality. Let us know, children, who is the father of local bodies? The father of local bodies is Lord Ripon. He is known to have granted the Indians' first taste of freedom by introducing the local government in 1882. His scheme of local government developed the municipal institutions. Then Mughal uncle explained about the municipalities. The following also comes under municipalities. Townships. Townships example Neyveli. Cantonment boards. Cantonment boards example Parangimalai, Kunnur. These are the hill areas. Notified area committee. Notified area committee. The structure of local bodies, that is two urban local bodies and rural local bodies. Urban local bodies consist of corporation, municipality, town panchayat. Rural local bodies consist of district panchayat, panchayat union, village panchayat. For example, we call Chennai, Trichy, Kovai, Madurai and Salem as corporations. Let us know, the Balwant Roy Mehta Committee recommended a three-tier Panchayat Raj system in 1957. The Ashok Mehta Committee recommended a two-tier Panchayat Raj system in 1978. Mugilan, what is corporation, uncle? Uncle, certain municipalities will be declared by the government of Tamil Nadu as corporation based on high population and high revenue. What is revenue, children? That is money regularly received by government. That is, we say it in Tamil, Varuvai. Mugilan, uncle, how many corporations are there in Tamil Nadu? Do you know, children? There are 15 corporations have been established. The oldest corporation is Chennai. In Tamil Nadu, 15 corporations have been established, and that the oldest corporation is Chennai. Mugilan, uncle, who is the head of the corporation? The chairperson of the corporation is called mayor. The chairperson of the corporation is called mayor. He is also called as the father of the corporation. Who is the father of the corporation? Mayor is also called as the father of the corporation. The tenure of the members of the corporation is 5 years. Municipality also, the tenure of the municipality members of 5 years. This is also 5 years. The Indian Administrative Service Officers, that is IAS, and similar rank holders are appointed by the government to the corporation. Most of the urban areas have corporation. I said before, no, children, there are 15 corporations in Tamil Nadu. Do you know the municipal corporations, children? I'll read. Chennai, Madurai, Coimbatore, Tiruchirappalli, Salem, Tirunelveli, Vellore, Tuticorin, Tirupur, Erode, Tanjavur, Tindikkal, Hosur, Nagarkoil, Avadi. What are the duties of corporation? What are the duties of corporation? The duties of corporations are constructing and maintaining the city roads, providing drinking water facilities, disposing garbage, constructing libraries and maintaining them, creating parks and maintaining them, maintaining of birth and death records. These are the duties of corporation. Mugilan, what is the source of income to the corporation? The source of income to the corporation are taxes, some taxes, the amount collected from professional tax, wealth tax, entertainment tax, custom duties, and road tax are the sources of income to the corporation. Mugilan, what else are there besides municipality and corporations? Apart from the corporation and municipality, town panchayat also exist. The tenure of the president and other members is 5 years. Panchayat is governed by the executive officers. Town panchayat functions in places where the population exceeds 5,000 people. Mugilan, uncle, I came to know the administration of municipality and corporation very well. Thank you very much, uncle. Uncle, good. Come, let us wash our hands and have lunch, Mugilan. Now let we move on to the glossary, children. Government, the political system by which a country is administered. Tax, a part of the income or profits paid by the people to the government. Tenure, the period of time. The period of time. Revenue, fees earned for the service provided. Population, all the people who live in an area. Administration, the arrangements and tasks needed to control the operation of an organization. Dispose, throwing away something that you no longer want or need. Professional tax, tax that is levied by a state government on all individuals who earn. That's all about this Unit 3 Corporation and Municipality, children. I will give the book evaluation answers in the next session, children. Have a nice day. Thank you.